In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix there was an error trying to send your message. Please try again later. Issue in Contact Form 7 on your WordPress website. Whether you're frustrated with messages not sending, or you simply want to make sure your contact form works perfectly for every visitor, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your WordPress dashboard and install a plugin called WP Fastest Cache. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Add New Plugin, search for WP Fastest Cache, then install and activate it. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. This plugin will help clear out stored cache that often causes Contact Form 7 to throw that error, and it keeps your website running smoothly overall. Next, click on WP Fastest Cache. You'll see a button that says Clear All Cache. Go ahead and click it. It might take a few moments, but once it finishes, all your cached files will be removed. Clearing the cache like this helps reset your form scripts so they load correctly, and it often solves the sending issues immediately. To make the process even smoother, here's a quick tip. Make sure your form is using a proper domain email. Open your Contact Form 7 form, go to the Mail tab, and add an address like info@yourwebsite.com. Using a domain-specific email prevents your messages from being blocked, which is a common cause of this error. Avoid using free emails like Gmail or Yahoo for sending form messages. After updating the email, go back to WP Fastest Cache and click Clear All Cache one more time. This ensures the new settings are applied properly. Then return to your form and submit a test message. You should now be able to send messages without any interruptions. Double-checking that your domain email is correct is a small but important step that helps prevent future errors and keeps your site running efficiently. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the Contact Form 7 error easily and efficiently, and your messages will start sending reliably again. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?